5 worst foods to eat after your workout and why. In this video, we'll delve into the 5 worst foods to eat after your workout and why making healthier choices matters for your fitness journey. 1. While convenient, many commercial energy bars are loaded with sugar and artificial additives. Consuming these after a workout can lead to a rapid spike in blood sugar followed by a crash, sabotaging your energy levels and potentially impeding muscle recovery. 2. Indulging in fried foods like French fries or greasy burgers post-workout is counterproductive. High levels of unhealthy fats can slow down digestion, leaving you feeling sluggish and potentially contributing to inflammation, hindering the body's recovery process. 3. Not all protein shakes are created equal. Some commercially available shakes contain excessive additives, preservatives, and sugars. Opt for whole food sources of protein instead, as they provide a more complete and natural nutrient profile for muscle repair and growth. 4. While smoothies can be a healthy choice, be cautious of loading them with excessive fruits and sweeteners. High-sugar smoothies can spike insulin levels, potentially hindering the body's ability to burn fat and compromising the benefits of your workout. 5. Consuming caffeinated drinks like soda or energy drinks after a workout can lead to dehydration. Caffeine has diuretic properties, increasing urine production and potentially counteracting the hydration your body needs for optimal recovery. Here are much better alternatives. Instead of these post-workout pitfalls, consider healthier alternatives. Opt for lean proteins like chicken, fish, tofu, or plant-based options for muscle repair. Include whole grains, sweet potatoes, or quinoa to replenish glycogen stores. Create a balanced smoothie with greens, fruits, and protein for a nourishing post-workout option. Conclusion: making informed choices about your post-workout nutrition is essential for achieving your fitness goals. By avoiding these 5 worst foods and opting for nutrient-dense alternatives, you can enhance recovery, promote muscle growth, and optimize the benefits of your hard work in the gym. Disclaimer: this is for informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Consult with a nutritionist or healthcare professional for personalized guidance based on your individual health needs and fitness goals. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts.